Okay, this is the 9th video in the PL series for lab technicians on the 6th of October 2015. So this video is about OneDrive, and we just finished talking about how to install Office 365 on a computer that you may have at home, and we're just about to talk about OneDrive and what that's all about. Now, when you log into Office 365 and you've installed everything, then one thing you can do is you can access your OneDrive from the website. Now, on the Office 365 page, once you're logged in, if you click on the top left here on these sort of on this little cube, you'll notice that it comes up with something which says My Apps, and that's what we'd want to click on next. Okay, so when we click on My Apps, what it will do is it will show you the kinds of things that you've got installed. Now, the one that we're going to have a look at is OneDrive. So OneDrive's a way which you can connect to a external storage for your files, and each user is allocated 1 terabyte of space to store things. And I use this quite often with a lot of my files at school. The main reason being is because it allows me to work on things at work, and then I can also work on them at home. So that sometimes I might have, left my laptop at work for one reason or another, or if my laptop's gone in for repair, inevitably, things go wrong with technology as they want to do. Then having a backup like this saves a lot of time. It saves a lot of time because you don't need to fiddle around with USBs, you don't need to then email yourself different files, etc. So it's a really good way of doing things. Now, all of your files are kept on the cloud, so they're very safe. They're backed up. The likelihood of you losing any, or if you're worried about security, I really don't think you need to worry about it, because it's very, very reliable, very secure. Now, let's say, for example, if you want to look at some of your documents or save something there, what you can do, let's say, for example, if you're working on a document and you might be working on, say, something in Word, and you'd like to then, you've saved it, and you then want to upload it onto OneDrive, you can then go to this where it says Upload here. Taking a little while to think. Murphy's Law, hey? Okay, so what will then pop up is a window which says Choose File to Upload. Okay, so let's say, for example, I want to upload something from my documents here. Might be some work I've done in extended science. So, for example, it might be, it doesn't really matter, I might just say it's my Ohm's Law practical. I'll click on Open, and what it'll do is it'll start to upload the file. I know they uploaded fairly quickly, and you can see that it's uploaded here. Now, once I've got it in that location, I can then move it somewhere if I want to, and I can also do a couple of other things with it as well, which we'll run through quickly now. So I can move it to, now if I click on Move To, that will allow me to choose if I want to move it to a particular folder. I might just leave it there for the moment. So if you upload something that's not in the right spot, you can move it to that spot. But one of the things which is really useful is being able to share things. Okay, so if I then click there on those dots, I can click on Share. Now, when I click on Share, you'll notice it comes up with Invite People. Now, let's say if I want to invite Miriam to this one here, so she can have a look at it, and she can also edit it. You'll notice that I've put it here, Can Edit. I just start typing in her name, and because it's linked to the Department of Education, it will automatically search up the name for you. Okay, and so what that has done is it's searched up Miriam. I can then send an email invitation, click on Share, and that will provide Miriam with access to that file on my OneDrive, which she can then go in and alter and things like that. Okay, I'm just going to pause this, and we'll go to the next video.